Hey everyone! Today let's dive deep into the epic history of Poland, a country whose past is as rich and vibrant as its culture. Let me take you on a journey from the early days of the Piasts to the bustling modern state it is today. Our story begins in the 10th century with the Piast dynasty. Picture this: Mieszko Rus, the first historically documented ruler of Poland, converts to Christianity in 966. This pivotal moment aligns Poland with Western Christendom and sets the stage for his son, Boleslaw the Brave, to be crowned the first king of Poland in 1025. What a start, right? Moving into the medieval era, after the death of Boleslaw III Rymith, Poland fragmented into several semi-independent principalities. It's like the entire country hit a rough patch, with weakened central authority. But don't worry. The unity of Poland resumes under the Jagiellonian dynasty in the late 14th century, highlighted by the Polish-Lithuanian Union formed through the marriage of Queen Jadwiga of Poland and Grand Duke Jogaila of Lithuania. Fast forward to the Polish-Lithuanian Commonwealth in the 16th century, a golden age where Poland becomes a beacon of cultural, political, and economic development. Imagine living in one of the largest countries in Europe, enjoying the unique system of noble democracy known as Golden Liberty. Sounds quite progressive, doesn't it? However, every golden age has its sunset. The 17th century brought wars and internal decline, leaving Poland vulnerable to its neighbors. The result? The partitions in the late 18th century, where Russia, Prussia, and Austria wiped Poland off the map for 123 years. Talk about a tough break. But the Polish spirit remained unbroken. The 19th century saw the rise of the Duchy of Warsaw during the Napoleonic Wars and numerous uprisings. Although these were dark times, the flame of Polish nationalism kept burning bright. Then came the 20th century, a period of dramatic highs and lows. Poland regained its independence in 1918, only to face a brutal occupation by Nazi Germany and the Soviet Union in World War II. Yet, the Polish people's resilience shone through once again during the communist era and the powerful solidarity movement in the 1980s, leading to the eventual collapse of communism in Poland. Today, Poland is a thriving democracy, a member of NATO and the European Union, standing proud and strong on the global stage. From its early medieval roots to its modern democratic resurgence, Poland's history is a testament to its enduring spirit of resilience and renewal. So, there you have it, the whirlwind tour of Poland's history. It's a story of overcoming adversity, embracing change, and forging a path forward. Poland's past teaches us the power of resilience and the importance of sticking to one's roots. Thanks for joining me on this historical journey. Until next time, keep exploring and stay curious.